Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to save your videos or photo post in the RedNote app to your drafts. So if you want to save your video or your photo post to drafts and work on it later on, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for the RedNote app and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now after it's been updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here on the app, we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a video or a photo. Next, we'll go ahead and choose a video. So for example, this one here. Now here on this screen, you can go ahead and add your effects, stickers, or any text. And once you're happy with it, tap next. Now on this posting screen, you'll see the option called Save Draft. So here, you can go ahead and tap on Save Draft. This will ask you if you want to save this draft. So go ahead and tap on Save. And now your draft has been saved to the RedNote app. So there you go guys, that is how to save your draft in the RedNote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.